Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be a very short video in which I am doing a decoration on my Hobonichi Weeks. The Hobonichi Weeks I'm using as my goal planner and also as my personal planner, which I tend to carry it around in my handbag. So I do write down my errands and my appointments that I may need to attend to when I'm going out. So I'm basically just decorating this planner using the washi tapes which I have obtained from Hobby Lobby, and some stickers from the Symposium Press, and also from the Got a List. I will post the link of all the stickers at the description box below, and I have a whole bunch of washi tapes that I purchased from Shopee. It's an online place where I can get a lot of washi tape supplies, some gorgeous colors from the online shop. So if you are interested to see how I am planning my weekly goal in my Hobonichi Weeks, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated when I upload on my next video.